The VR gaming world is buzzing right now, and for good reason. After months of speculation, insider leaks, and subtle teases from Meta executives, the Meta Quest 4 is no longer just a rumor. We now have a treasure trove of leaked details about its release date, insane new specs, and game-changing features. If you thought the Quest 3 was a big step forward, the Quest 4 looks set to push the boundaries of what's possible in standalone VR. Meta has been at the forefront of making virtual reality mainstream, and the Quest lineup has been its most important weapon in that mission. With Quest 4, it's not just about delivering sharper visuals or faster performance. It's about redefining how we interact with both virtual and mixed reality worlds. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This headset is aiming to be more than just a gaming device. It's looking to become an all-in-one VR, AR, and AI-powered productivity platform, and this video will explore everything we know so far, from the expected release date and price to the confirmed hardware leaks, comfort improvements, mixed reality capabilities, and AI enhancements that could make the Meta Quest 4 the most advanced headset of its kind. Meta has been fairly consistent in its headset release cycle. The Quest 2 launched in October 2020, and the Quest 3 arrived in October 2023. Now, all credible leaks from supply chain insiders point to a September 2025 reveal, likely during Meta's annual Meta Connect event, followed by a full retail launch in October 2025. Expected timeline. Official announcement. Early September 2025, Meta Connect keynote. Pre-orders open immediately after the announcement. Shipping and retail release. October 2025. This timing makes perfect sense. It positions the Quest 4 perfectly for the holiday season while giving developers time to prepare next-gen VR content optimized for its upgraded hardware. Meta's strategy has always been to keep its hardware affordable enough to appeal to mainstream users while still packing in advanced technology. The Quest 3 launched at $499, but early reports suggest that the Quest 4 could see a small price bump due to higher-end components. Leaked price range. 128GB model, $549. 256GB model, $599. 512GB model, $699. There are also whispers about a possible Quest 4 Pro, featuring more advanced lenses and extra memory, potentially priced around $899. The most exciting part of the Meta Quest 4 leaks revolves around its hardware specs. According to insider reports, the Quest 4 will be powered by the brand new Qualcomm Snapdragon XR4 Gen 2 chipset, which is specifically designed for high-end VR and AR workloads. This chip is rumored to deliver double the graphics performance of the Quest 3's XR2 Gen 2 while improving battery efficiency. Leaked core specs. Processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon XR4 Gen 2. RAM, 12GB LPDDR5X, up from 8GB in Quest 3. Storage options, 128GB, 256GB, 512GB. Display, dual OLED panels, 2560 by 2880 per eye, 4 ultra-crisp visuals. Refresh rate, up to 140